How to add a border in video in CapCut Mobile. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a border to your video in CapCut on your mobile using an easy method. Let's get started. First, open CapCut on your mobile device and create a new project. To do this, tap New Project and select the video clip you want to work with. Once the video is in the timeline, tap on it to open the editing options. Now look for the resize option at the bottom of the screen. However, on the latest update of CapCut, you will no longer find this. You can simply drag the handles of your video in the playback inward to resize your video. As you resize, you'll notice that black borders will automatically appear around the edges of your video. This happens because resizing your video creates space, and CapCut fills that space with a default black background, giving the effect of a border. You can adjust how thick or thin the border is by resizing the video more or less, depending on your preference. Once you're happy with how it looks, tap Export to save your video. And that's how you add a border to your video in CapCut on mobile. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to How to Tutors for more helpful tutorials.